This kata is called moving zeros to the end. What do we have to do? Well, we have to write an algorithm that takes a list and moves all the zeros to the end, preserving the order of the other elements. And here we have an example. Well, let's get to it. Well, what I want to do is not writing an algorithm, but just creating two lists, one for the zeros and one for the other elements. Let's call it non-zeros and eventually merge it together. So let's start iterating for element in list and print the element. And we have to check the following condition. Element should be equal to 0 before we append it to zeros. Yeah, in two cases this is true. So if this condition is met, we append the element. And in all the other cases, we append the element to the non-zeros list. At the end of the write, we can return the non-zeros list plus the zeros list, and this will merge it together into one list. Yeah, is it equal to the desired result? Let's have a look. True. Well, it seems to work out. Let's test it out in the interpreter. Attempt. Works like a charm. Hope this has been useful. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.